Hello everybody, beautiful day. Now, first thing we gotta make a pappardelle with the corn, Josie corn. Now it's the time to do this dish, almost it's at the end of the corn, okay? Look how beautiful this corn over here. And the pappardelle, okay? And we gotta start to do, first thing we start with the corn. And I bring it right over there on the stove. And I bring the butter. I need the butter. Okay, let's slide a little piece of butter over here. Okay. And we put it right over here on this pot. Let's put the gas. Okay. A little bit more. You know, the corn, you gotta use a little butter. Okay, now we got the water boil for the pappardelle. And we pour salt. And we pour 1 and 2 teaspoons salt. I don't got too much water. Okay, now this is the pappardelle, the butter for the corn.
Hey, Bill, thanks for the stars.
Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you, thank you. Okay, look nice. Okay, the butter is still melt a little bit. And I want to say salute, chin chin. Everybody enjoy yesterday. I think everybody have a nice barbecue, everything for Labor Day. Chin chin. Salute. Thank you for the star. Chin chin. Okay, now it's the time for the corn. This is a 6 corn I was doing. 6. Okay. We raise the flame a little bit now for the corn.
Hey, Barbara, thanks for the 500 stars. Appreciate
Thank you very much, Barb. Okay. All right. Okay. The corn, gotta cook too long. Okay, it's really, really tender. And now we got the pappardelle.
And big thank you to Jessica and Angela as well.
Thank you very much. Look, the pappardelle. And this dish I keep for me. And the pappardelle.
It's fresh corn from the cob, right?
Yes.
Pasta, how long for the pasta?
The pasta about 10 minutes. Gotta cook, 10 minutes. All right, now for the corn, we got salt. A black pepper.
You just used a knife to get the corn off? Or how'd you do it?
Yes, I was using the knife and you slide down everything.
And did you cook the corn or is it?
No. The corn it's raw. The corn I cook it now a little bit. The pasta. Okay. I wanted to loosen up everything of the pasta. And make sure to keep the water for the pasta, because maybe you need for the corn when you do everything. Oh, where's my glass? I missed my glass. Oh, it's over here. You see, it was over here, the same color of the dish, and I don't see the wine. Chin chin, salute, thank you for the star. Chin chin.
Thank you, Eric. And Lisa with 400 stars said hello from Boston, Massachusetts.
Thank you very much, Lisa, for the star. Thank you. Okay. You see the corn? Look how nice. Eh? Okay, the pappardelle. Oh, look how beautiful this.
Jane is asking, how do you get the apron? So if you're interested in the apron and then like other things like this, just do a hashtag merch in the comments and it'll be sent right to you.
Thank you very much. Oh yeah, baby. See my baby? And look at this, my baby over here. Huh? You gotta dry. Okay, now this, how long more for the pasta?
Let's see.
7 more minutes? Okay, now what we do like this. I want to keep F, I got to blend, and F I keep like this. Now, let's split this in half like that, and we take it out and we put it right over here. I was low the gas really on low.
Yeah, just to remind everybody, we're live every Tuesday at 6 p.m.
Okay, now this is done. And I gotta take my.
Hey, Lou, we're going to pass out from your corny comments all night long.
Okay, we pour. Uh-huh. Okay, if I need more water, we got over there. Okay, let's blend this now. Okay, I keep on low. Okay, this is done. Now let's put it right over here together with this. Look there. So you see the little black thing? It's the black pepper, okay? All right, now we got a little bit over here. What I do, I use the water and we put it right over here. Okay, and now we give a nice mix all together. Okay, boil good. Let's load the gas. And we put another piece of butter. Inside.
Bill said 3 minutes.
Ok, thank you very much, Bill. Billy take my time e I say salute e cin cin ad everybody. Thank you so much for the star. Thank you.
And in case anyone's interested in this recipe, you could always do a hashtag yummy in the comment section and it'll be sent to you in 1 nanosecond.
It's good, but a little bit sort of like this. That's all.
Thank you, Sean and Dave, for the stars.
Thank you very much. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to taste the pappardelle. I want to cook the pappardelle together with the... Ooh, it's really hot. I put it in my dish over here. Phew, wow.
No. Lou sent you some stars and he said, I will be splattering my corn tomorrow morning.
Thank you, and thank you for the star. Oh.
And you're going to use cheese too?
Oh, yeah. I got to use the cheese. I got everything right over here. Look at that.
Bill says 1 more minute.
Okay, thank you so much.
What is this?
It's a pecorino cheese. But this I do by myself, shredded by myself. After I gotta go, the steak. I got a beautiful steak over there.
Do you ever make your own pasta?
All the time. I'm making my pasta. You got a lot of video for the pasta too.
And Jerry sent you 500 stars. Wow.
Jerry, thank you very much, Jerry, for the star. Look there. Okay, now I think it's almost done. I want to cook the pasta, the pappardelle over here for a couple of minutes, okay? Let's put another pasta right over here. Turn the gas off. Okay, now I think we got a problem with this pappardelle. What I gotta do, I'll do like this. I'll drain.
You're going to
You see, it's good I got this over here. Look at that.
hashtag merch.
Ooh. So good. Look at this. Okay. All right, we put it right over here.
Is this enough just for you or what are we doing?
No, this is for me. It's only for me. You know one, all right? Okay, now we put it back over here on the gas. Let's put it on. Nice.
That's a nice spoon.
Really, really good. Look at that. Now we gotta use smile cheese. And we put a cheese.
You think like a good garnish on the dish would be like popcorn?
Look at this. Oh, look how creamy. Huh? I think it's too much for me. So you want a little bit, you can have it, Jeremy.
Okay, just a little bit.
Yeah. Look at that.
If you do a hashtag yummy without any spaces in between, it'll be sent right to your inbox. For some people, it doesn't work, but majority of people, it does work. So if it didn't work, just let me know and I'll send it to you later.
Okay. We turn the gas off. Oh, I forgot to take my warm-up stove.
And for those that did do a hashtag yummy, let me know if you received the recipe and how long it took.
Okay, we put it right over here. Okay, the gas off. And look at this. My glass of wine. Oh,
That's
okay. Now we need a little cheese on the top, a little parsley, give a beautiful color.
oh, good to hear that it took a nanosecond or half a nanosecond.
Okay. It's so sweet. It come out delicious, really, really good. Thank you very much, everybody, and thank you every Tuesday, 6 o'clock. And thank you for your support, and thank you for the star. Chin chin e salute, and we see next week. Chin chin, salute.